Birds are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. They come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique traits and behaviors. But have you ever wondered how birds are classified? How do scientists categorize the thousands of species of birds that exist today? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the world of avian classification. We'll cover the basics of bird taxonomy, from the differences between classes, orders, and families, to the characteristics that define each group. Whether you're a seasoned birder or just getting started, this video is the perfect introduction to the fascinating world of avian classification. One. The basics of avian classification, understanding birds as a class. Birds, with their colorful feathers, melodic songs, and graceful flight, have captivated human beings for centuries. But have you ever wondered how these incredible creatures are classified? In this section, we will delve into the basics of avian classification, helping you understand birds as a class. Birds belong to the class Aves, which is a distinct group within the animal kingdom. They are warm-blooded vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone and maintain a constant body temperature. However, what truly sets birds apart is their unique characteristics that have allowed them to conquer the skies. One key feature of birds is their feathers, which serve multiple purposes. Feathers provide insulation, aiding in regulating body temperature, and they also assist in flight. The structure of feathers is intricate, with a central shaft called the rachis and barbs that branch off from it. These barbs interlock, forming a strong yet flexible surface that enables birds to soar through the air with ease. Another distinguishing characteristic of birds is their beaks, which vary greatly in shape and size depending on their diet and feeding habits. Some birds have sharp, pointed beaks for catching and tearing prey, while others have long, slender beaks for probing flowers or sipping nectar. The diversity in beak morphology reflects the incredible adaptability of birds to various ecological niches. Birds also possess remarkable respiratory systems that enable efficient gas exchange during flight. Unlike humans, who inhale and exhale air in a continuous manner, birds have a unique system of air sacs connected to their lungs. This complex respiratory system allows for a constant supply of oxygen during flight, enabling birds to sustain their high-energy activities. When it comes to reproduction, birds lay hard-shelled eggs, a characteristic shared with reptiles. The development of an egg outside the mother's body allows birds to inhabit diverse environments, from the depths of rainforests to the vastness of deserts. Avian classification goes beyond just these basic characteristics. Birds are further classified into various orders, such as passeriforms, perching birds, and falconiforms, birds of prey, which group together species that share similar traits and behaviors. Understanding birds as a class is not only fascinating but also essential in appreciating the diversity and complexity of these remarkable creatures. So, let us embark on this journey into the avian world, as we explore the different orders, families, and species that make up the vast and captivating class Aves. 2. The evolution of birds, from dinosaurs to modern avians. The evolution of birds is a captivating journey that traces back millions of years, connecting these remarkable creatures to their dinosaur ancestors. It is truly awe-inspiring to think that the birds we see soaring gracefully through the skies today have evolved from ancient reptiles that once roamed the earth. During the Mesozoic era, approximately 150 million years ago, a group of dinosaurs called theropods emerged. These theropods were bipedal and featured sharp claws, strong jaws, and adaptations that allowed them to be agile predators. One particular group within the theropods, known as the Manoraptoran dinosaurs, would eventually give rise to the first birds. Over time, these Manoraptoran dinosaurs began to develop unique characteristics that set them apart from their dinosaur relatives. They started to develop feathers, initially for insulation and display purposes. These early feathers were likely simple and filament-like, resembling the downy feathers of modern birds. The evolution of feathers brought about a whole new set of possibilities for these dinosaur descendants. Feathers provided insulation, improved aerodynamics, and eventually allowed for powered flight, one of the most extraordinary adaptations in the animal kingdom. Archaeopteryx, a famous fossil discovered in Germany, serves as a critical link between dinosaurs and modern birds. This ancient creature displayed a fascinating combination of reptilian and avian features. It had feathers, wings, and a beak like a bird but retained the teeth, tail, and claws of its dinosaur ancestors. As time went on, the evolution of birds continued to unfold, leading to the vast array of avian species we see today. Different species adapted to diverse habitats and ecological niches, resulting in a remarkable diversity of bird sizes, shapes, colors, and behaviors. It is truly remarkable to consider that birds, with their beautiful plumage, intricate songs, and impressive flight abilities, are the living descendants of dinosaurs. Understanding the evolutionary journey that birds have taken allows us to appreciate the incredible diversity and adaptability of these captivating creatures. In the next section, we will delve into the classification of birds and explore the various groups and families that make up this fascinating world of avian diversity. 3. Taxonomy and bird subclasses, understanding the different groups. Taxonomy is the science of classification, and when it comes to birds, it helps us understand the diverse groups that exist in the avian world. Birds are classified into various subclasses based on their shared characteristics and evolutionary relationships. This classification system allows us to categorize and study birds more effectively. One of the most fundamental divisions in bird taxonomy is between the two subclasses, the Paleognathi and the Neognathi. The Paleognathi subclass consists of flightless birds, such as ostriches, emus, and kiwis. These birds are characterized by their unique palate structure and primitive features. In contrast, the Neognathi subclass includes the majority of bird species, including songbirds, raptors, waterfowl, and many others. Neognathi birds possess a more advanced palate structure and are capable of flight. Within the Neognathi subclass, birds are further classified into orders, families, genera, and species. Each level of classification represents a closer relationship between different bird species. For example, the order Passeriformes, which includes the perching birds, is the largest order of birds and encompasses more than half of all bird species. Understanding bird taxonomy is not only fascinating, but it also helps us appreciate the incredible diversity and evolutionary history of avian life. By studying the different subclasses and their respective orders, we can gain insights into the unique adaptations and behaviors that have allowed birds to thrive in various habitats around the world. So, next time you spot a bird soaring through the sky or hear its melodic song in the trees, take a moment to appreciate the intricate classification system that helps us navigate the enchanting world of avian diversity. And that brings us to the end of another incredible journey through the wonders of our natural world. For those craving more adventures, check out our previous videos and stay tuned for the next videos. If you enjoyed diving into the realm of animals, birds, plants, and fish with me today, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and share the magic of nature with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell, like our Facebook page, and follow us on TikTok so you never miss a moment of the extraordinary stories nature has to tell. Join our growing community of fellow nature enthusiasts. It's a wild ride you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you soon.